It's me. I'm back. I'm just really so grateful. I'm excited. Today is my birthday. And I'm so funny because leading up to my birthday, I act like it don't matter. But when my birthday actually gets here, I'm like, it's my birthday. I just feel blessed. The energy is just so uplifting. I feel so good in this season. God is good. God is good. God is really good. And I'm good. And I'm making my life good. And that is all that matters. Happy birthday to me. I want to say happy birthday to you. To you. That song, that new birthday song, I like it. I know it's like a 50-50 thing. Some people hate it. But that's my birthday song. And I'm feeling good today, y'all. I am. All right, let me get this head tie off of my head and show y'all what I'm working with. Man, yesterday I was just trying to figure out this style. So I'm gonna use the straight needle. I have a curved one, but I don't think I need the curved one. I have black thread. I'm gonna thread the needle. I don't know if you guys can see it, but I'm gonna thread it all the way through. I did all of these, which is just face framing. And I really don't think that I want to do the back. I'm gonna keep it real with you. Like, I don't want to do this anymore. Oh, what did I get myself into? What I'm thinking about doing is doing like keeping the face framing braids and then do something different on the top. That's not gonna take forever. But oh, my hair smells so good. What do you think? I think it's cute. I'm in such a better mood today. Oh my gosh. I have to tell you guys this. Like, honestly, everybody, what's going on here? Everyone loves to have like a full set of hair because it is gorgeous and it is beautiful. Just stand alone. You don't have to do anything to it. When your hair is full, it's just like, wow, you have so much hair, right? I get it. But when you want to try certain styles, it's not easy, especially if your hair is dense. Sometimes the less hair you have, the better, because you can easily like manipulate your hair and get certain styles. And if you need more hair, you can always add more to your liking. I can't subtract this, you know what I'm saying? So sometimes don't feel bad like if your hair is not full enough or dense enough. You still can achieve some beautiful hairstyles with just adding a little bit of extra hair if you need to. Or sometimes your hair is just enough and you could recreate different styles easily. So having like the thickest hair in the world or the densest hair, what should I say, thick or dense? It's not all that is cracked up to be, man. Sometimes it ain't easy having the heaviest crown, you know? But I'm gonna make it do what it do. I'm not complaining. This style is cool, man. I wish I had my sister around so she could finish the back for me. But sheesh, this is... I just don't want to spend all my time doing all this, you know? I'm gonna just keep it real with you. I could have stayed up last night and finished it, but I was like, I think this is a vibe too. And then like maybe later I could, what's going on with this one? Oh Lord, did I cut? Maybe later I can finish it, but I'm living a life of ease right now. I'm not working too hard. Oof, look at all of this. 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 Oh, my hair smells amazing. Look at all of this. Look at all of this. Yes. I'm gonna figure it out though. I'm gonna figure it out.
You are the one and only one. There will never be another you. You and me belong together. We need each other.
It's a birthday girl, hey.
So
Hey. It's a birthday girl, hey. Hey.
So I did all these braids, right? If I wanted to complete the entire look, I would have to sew up all of these. But I don't really want to.
Why don't you keep your hair up like you was?
Yeah, I am.
Right.
But I'm just glad that I finished this so I could like properly style it and it could be cohesive. Cause like I don't want to have like braids in the front and then nothing. It just looks
Your hair
unfinished.
wasn't braided before.
It wasn't braided in the middle.
Gotcha.
So I just did that. And then now I'm going to figure out how I want to do this. Yeah.
Okay. Cool.
Yeah, I did that.
Nice.
And then, you know, in the future, if I do want to continue to style, I already got the braids. So like part 2, I could sew it up and swirl all of them. But right now, I'm just gonna keep it like this.
Come up and flow and make the ladies say, brother say, my name is Little Vicious and I rip up your show. Come when I hear the pod, I kick the rock. Come up and flow and make the ladies say,
I think this is it. Guys, I think this is the hair. This is what I came up with. Yeah. This is different.
ooh la la la, ooh la la la.